Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about developments leading to the Bohr model atom. यानी कि बोहर मॉडल कैसे एस्टेब्लिश हुआ और इसको लेकर के क्या क्या डेवलपमेंट किए गए. We will discuss about this. First of all, Thomson model was established. After then, Rutherford's model was established, but this model was failed. After then, Bohr's atomic model was established. After the failure of Rutherford's atomic model, many scientists started working to give the appropriate model which could overcome the flaws of Rutherford's atomic model. Among such scientists, Niels Bohr was success in giving the answer to the question of Rutherford's atomic model. Two developments played a major role in the establishment of Bohr's atomic model. Before discussing Bohr's atomic model, we will discuss about these two developments. First of all, development is dual behavior of electromagnetic radiation. Second is quantization of energy. What is dual behavior of electromagnetic radiation? Electromagnetic radiation have dual behavior, like it has wave nature as well as particle nature. Dual behavior of electromagnetic radiation means electromagnetic radiation have dual behavior, like wave nature as well as particle nature. First of all, we discuss wave nature. Wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. James Maxwell gave an explanation about interaction between charged bodies and the behavior of electric and magnetic field on microscopic level. Light and other forms of radiant energy that propagate in the form of waves are called electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiation. Newton explained light as a stream of particles, but this is failed because this could not explain a phenomena like diffraction of light. Thereafter, wave nature of electromagnetic radiation was established. After that, we will discuss electromagnetic radiation. What is electromagnetic radiation and what are the characteristics of electromagnetic radiation? Electromagnetic radiation. Those radiation which are associated with electric and magnetic field are called electromagnetic radiation. इट मीन्स वो रेडिएशन जो कि इलेक्ट्रिक एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से एसोसिएट होती हैं उनको इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन कहा जाता है. लेट अस स्टडी सम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन. Characteristic of electromagnetic radiation. First, electromagnetic radiation have electric and magnetic field, have electric field as well as magnetic field. That propagates to each other. Like we can understand with the diagram of electromagnetic radiation. This is electric field, magnetic field, and this is electric field. Second is electromagnetic radiation do not require any medium for their propagation. It means electromagnetic radiation can propagate in vacuum. Third is there are many types of electromagnetic radiation which differ from in their frequency and wavelength. These all types of electromagnetic radiation constitute electromagnetic spectrum. Guys, ये सब हमारा इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन के बारे में था. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट वेव्स मोशन in terms of their properties. Thank you for watching.